In this tutorial, I'll show you how to summarize entries from a field in Jotform Tables. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Tables. Find the table that contains the data you want to summarize and click View Table. Once the table opens, locate the column you want to analyze. Click the three-dot menu in the column header, then select Summarize with a chart. A summary panel will open, displaying a chart based on the data in that field. This gives you a quick visual overview of your entries. If you'd like a different visualization, click the chart icon in the summary panel and choose the chart type that best fits your data, such as a pie chart or bar chart. To save or share the summary, click the download icon and choose your preferred format, such as an image or PDF. That's how to summarize entries from a field in Jotform Tables. Thanks for watching.